Hey everyone, hope everyone's having a great day today. Today I will be discussing the health benefits of thyme.
Don't forget to subscribe, like it, share it, comment, love it.
Thyme is an herb commonly used to add flavor to your food. Thyme belongs to the mint family and is a relative to the oregano family. The flower, leaves, and oil of thyme has been used to treat many different things. Thyme has strong antiseptic and antibacterial properties. Thyme also fights bacterial and fungal infections. It also helps boost your immunity and your mood. Thyme is commonly used to soothe the respiratory tract and throat. Thyme is traditionally used to treat whooping cough and bronchitis for its fast and effective approach. Drinking thyme tea is common for singers and performers to help soothe their vocal cords. Thyme also soothes the digestive tract, uterus, bowels, and central nervous system. Thyme also calms the nerves and sedates the body. Studies have shown that thyme essential oil may be used to disinfect moldy walls in dwellings in low concentration. Thyme essential oil may also be used as a germ killer in mouthwash and can be applied to the scalp to treat alopecia. As always, consult with your physician, and I hope everyone learned something new today, and I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye.